love walking. Let me just put that out there so you guys can know and I can have full disclosure. I absolutely love to go on walks. Hi guys, it's V again, and we're doing a walking vlog. And I just wanted to do this walking vlog because we're talking about walking, we're talking about exercise, and so today we're talking about how you can get more walks into your life. And I think that's really important because a lot of times, you know, we don't have time to go to the gym, or maybe we don't like the gym. Walking is a very easy way for you to be able to exercise, and I want to give you some tips on how you can incorporate walking into your everyday life without it being something that you have to go put trainers on and, you know, special gear. Just go for a walk to, you know, finish or to run your errands. If you do that, it's going to really help you to increase the amount of steps that you do every day. And this doesn't have to be a big deal. Decide you're going to go down to the corner store. There's different ways that you can put in walking, that you can put in, you know, exercise into your routine. And, you know, it doesn't have to be a big deal. I don't think there's anything wrong with taking the stairs instead of the elevator. These are small things that you can do to make sure you're getting in more steps in your day. How good is your stride? Are you a person that takes little steps? Well, that's not really as good as if you're a strider. Also think about how fast you take your steps. These are things that you can do. They're little things. Add it into your routine, whatever it is that you're doing. So I want to thank you so much for tuning into this. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.